change a Chrome theme to different theme of your choice, like this. Thank you. Subscribe to Damshow TV, Unity Vision Technology, a future solution. You have to click on Chrome already installed on your computer. If it is not open, you have to click on the right side for PowerPoint, then click on settings of Chrome. You have to go to the setting of Chrome, click on appearance. You have to search the appearance setting of Chrome, click on appearance, and when you click on appearance, you see this theme, open Chrome Web Store theme, then click on theme. Let's load the theme, Chrome theme. Now it is Chrome Web Store on theme is opened. You have to choose on ratings. To choose a theme on ratings, you have to choose the theme you want or you like. You have to choose the theme of your choice. It is GTA, Grand Theft Auto, Vice City is the theme of this. You have to choose Lamborghini, or you have to choose a Spiderman, or you have to choose the lorry car. Let me choose this. You have to add to Chrome. Add to Chrome to change the theme of your choice. To choose the theme of your choice, you have to add to Chrome. Then it is start downloading and it installed automatically and added to Chrome. After you have to it changed now, you have to open new tabs to see if there is any change. Now it look like this. Let me open new tab to see if there is any change to the theme I have changed. Thank you. Now my theme is loaded. Now it is well done. You can change any theme, or you can choose any theme to your Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Damshow TV, Unity Vision Technology.